Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we are going to see how we can remove duplicates from the data, right? So here in this tutorial, I am connecting with the Excel folder. So in that folder, I have three Excel sheets. So you will find the folder link in the description below. Just go to the link and you can download the folder, right? So here I am going to get data option here under the home tab. I'm selecting folder. If you have any other data set, you can connect that one too. Here it is asking me the folder path. So I'm browsing to that particular folder here. In the data sets, I have this regions folder. Okay. I have selected that particular path and I'm clicking on OK. So here I have that part to that particular folder. Then here I have three Excel files. If you see over here, right, with these extensions, here I have to combine these files, so I'm using combine, then combine and transform data option. Here it will show me a pop-up window. Here I can see the data of these three files, right? Selecting that sample file, then here just click on this particular name, table name, right? So here we can see that particular data of that table name, right? Then just click on it will evaluate some internal queries, right? If you will see over here, it will open up your Power Query Editor window, right? You will see here we have source.name column. That is the name of the Excel sheets, three Excel sheets, right? So it shows you the source name and the data present in it. Then it will show you the other files name and the data starting from it, right? To as of now I don't have requirement of this column. I am just selecting this and removing it. Select this column and under this home tab we have remove columns option. I can go to remove columns and then remove columns option, right? This column will get removed. Now to remove duplicates from this column, we can just select the first column here, click on the right uh, mouse button. We can right click on it. Then we have to remove duplicates option, right? Also uh, under this home tab we have remove rows option. Under this remove rows option we have remove duplicates, right? Just click on this remove duplicates and it will remove all the duplicates for you, right? This is the way how we can remove duplicates from our data. Now to just load this data to a Power BI desktop, just click on close and apply button over here, right? It will start loading the data to your Power BI